Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about loop lists. Okay, what is the meaning of loop lists? Okay, the list we are operating by using for loop and while loop. Okay, how we will do this? Let's have a look here. See, let's look into this slide. Here, you can loop through the list items by using for loop. Okay, here I have a list. Here, see what is this list? This list is consider having apple, banana, and cherry. This see first for x in this list. Okay, this x means this is item. Okay, in this list we have three items are there. Okay, for your understanding purpose I will change it as item. Okay, for x in this list means print x. Okay, I will show in IDE. Okay, next, this is the by using item we have to print. Okay, in for loop by using item we have to print each item. Okay, each item in the console. Okay, by using for loop. Okay, that means each loop will print one item. Okay, I will show you practically. Next, loop through the index number. Okay, loop through the index number means, see here, you can also loop through the list items by referring to their index number. I already told you in previous videos. Here the index number means that is address of that particular item. Okay, in every list the first element index is 0. Okay, and the last item index is the length of the list minus 1. Okay, you have to keep in mind, it's must. Okay, here see, use the range. Okay, use the range method and len method. Okay, use the range and len functions to create a suitable iterable. Okay, na suitable iterable. Okay, next, this list apple, banana, and cherry for I in range that particular length of the list. Okay, I in range that particular length of the list. Print this list into I. Okay, we will see in console what is this meaning. Next, using for loop. Okay, using for loop means same. Okay, see, use the len function to determine the length of the list, then start at 0 and loop your way through the list items by referring their indexes. Okay, list is equal to apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, here I is equal to 0, we are initializing. Okay, here I is equal to 0, we are initializing. Here I means that is the index of that particular element. Okay, index of that particular element. All of you keep in mind this point. Okay, while I is less than len of this list, print this list I is equal I plus 1. Okay, we will see. Okay, we will see in the as a practical. See, first by using for loop. Okay, first by using for loop. For loop, here I am taking one. Okay, here I am taking one item, so that is fruits. fruits, fruits. Here fruits is a variable. In this I am taking items apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, here three items I am taking. Okay, three items I am taking. See here for loop means, see, we have to operate with each item. That means take for here each item I am each element I am indicating with the item for item in fruits. Okay, for item in fruits. Okay, keep colon. Okay, keep colon, print item. Okay, print item. Okay, let's have a look here. What is the output? See, apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, in this way we have to by using. Okay, now by using for loop, as well as this we have to operate with index also. Okay, here index means, okay, here index means I am index, I am here I means index. Okay, I in range. Before that, you have to find the length of the list. Okay, length is equal to len function, len of fruits. Okay, len of fruits. So let's here print length. Okay, print length. See, first find the length of the list. Next, for I in range, for I in range, length. Okay, for I in range, length. In that first you have to print I. Okay, first you have to print I here. Here what happens is first it will print index numbers. Okay, first it will print index numbers. Here how many? Here this 3 is indicates. Okay, this 3. See here length of the list. Okay, length of the list. See, first see the length of the list is equal to how much? 3. Okay, how many indexes are there? 0, 1 and 2. 3 indexes are there. Okay, 3 indexes are already printed. Now, in this before you print fruits, index number always keep in between the square braces. Okay, now it will print items in the list. Apple, banana and cherry. Okay, in this way we have to do by using for loop. We have to operate with index numbers. Okay, by using range. Okay, previous by using items we have printed. Now by using range we have printed now. Okay, next by using for loop. So I am sorry, by using while loop. Okay, by using while loop. See here, first this is the list. Okay, next initially take I is a variable that you declared as 0. Okay, in the initial variable in the I you declared as 0. Now while keep a condition. What is this condition? I is always less than. Okay, not is equal to, less than len of. Okay, or okay, or already previous we find, right, length. Length is equal to len of fruits. Okay, length is equal to len of fruits. Now here you have to keep always length. Okay, always the I is always less than the length. Okay, less than the length. Now inside you print. Okay, print fruits of I. Okay, fruits of I is equal I plus plus. You have to increment every item in each loop. Okay, now see here, it will print apple, banana and cherry. Okay, likewise you have to print numbers also. Okay, likewise you have to print numbers also. Here I am changing. I need to print 1 to 5 numbers, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma. Okay, 4 comma 5 I given. Okay, 4 comma 5 I given. Okay, here I'm keeping as numbers. Okay, this I changed as numbers. Okay, here also I changed as numbers. Okay, now let's have a look here. It will print 1 to 5. Okay, 1 to 5 horizontally. Okay, in this way you have to do uh, print list of items in the console by using for loop and while loop. Okay, I hope you understand, friends. Okay, in next video we will meet with another concept. Okay, in a list by using another sub concept in the list. Okay, thank you so much.